Welcome to AutoResolve. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Fire Stick remote and fix the most common problem step by step.
Fix 1. Reset Fire Stick Remote. Step 1. Unplug your Fire Stick from the TV and power source. Step 2. Wait for at least 60 seconds. Step 3. Press and hold the left button, menu button, back button together for 12 seconds. Step 4. Release and wait 5 seconds. Fix 2. Replace or reinstall batteries. Step 1. Open the battery cover of your Fire Stick remote. Step 2. Remove old batteries. Step 3. Insert new high-quality alkaline batteries or rechargeable ones. Step 4. Make sure they are inserted correctly, positive and negative ends aligned. Fix 3. Repair the remote. Step 1. Turn on your Fire Stick and TV. Step 2. Press and hold the home button for 10 seconds. Step 3. The remote should pair automatically. Look for the on-screen confirmation. Fix 4. Use Fire TV app remote. Step 1. Download the Amazon Fire TV app on your phone, iOS or Android. Step 2. Connect your phone and Fire Stick to the same Wi-Fi. Step 3. Open the app, select your Fire Stick, and use your phone as a remote.